Imagine you're a busy project manager, juggling a million tasks at once. You've got emails flooding in, Slack messages buzzing, and a mountain of to-dos. Wouldn't it be great if there was one place to manage it all? That's where ClickUp comes in. But here's the million-dollar question. Does ClickUp have an inbox? Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly recap what ClickUp is. It's a powerful task management tool that combines elements of project management, CRM, and document collaboration. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your productivity. Answering the question, so, does ClickUp have a traditional inbox? The short answer is no. But don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds. Explaining ClickUp's alternatives. Instead of a separate inbox, ClickUp uses a few different features to handle incoming communication. Tasks. This is the core of ClickUp. You can create tasks from emails, Slack messages, or even voice notes. Each task has its own space where you can add details, assign it to team members, and track its progress. Comments. Comments are like threaded discussions within tasks. You can use them to ask questions, provide feedback, or share updates. Think of them as a more organized way to communicate about specific tasks. Chat. ClickUp has a built-in chat feature that works similar to Slack or Teams. You can create channels for different teams or projects and send direct messages to individual team members. Demonstrating the features. Let's take a look at how these features work in practice. I'll show you how to create a task from an email, add comments to a task, and use the chat feature to coordinate with my team. Screen recording of ClickUp features. Comparing to traditional inboxes. While ClickUp doesn't have a traditional inbox, it offers several advantages. Centralization. Everything is in one place, so you don't have to switch between different apps. Organization. Tasks and comments help you keep track of conversations and progress. Automation. You can set up automations to automatically create tasks from emails or assign tasks to team members. Addressing potential concerns. Some people might be hesitant to give up their traditional inboxes. But trust me, once you get used to ClickUp's approach, you'll never look back. So, to answer the original question, does ClickUp have an inbox? Not in the traditional sense, but it offers a more efficient and organized way to manage communication and tasks. With ClickUp, you can streamline your workflow, improve productivity, and collaborate more effectively with your team. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to take their task management to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about ClickUp, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks.